this video, we're going to go over Excel basics, and this is a continuation of a multi-part series. So the focus of this video is sorting and creating series. So we're going to use the same spreadsheet we've been using, and let's just say we are interested in sorting this data here so that maybe we want to be sorted by quantity and then by description. So what you do is you highlight the data. You want to highlight headings if possible so that it's easier to sort. And then just go to the Data tab and then click on Sort. And it's going to bring up this window, and basically the first thing it's going to ask by is what you want to sort by. And because we highlighted the headings and we have this checkbox here that says my data has headers, it will give us the nice descriptions of the data. So we're going to sort it by quantity, and we're going to sort on values, and we're going to order it smallest to largest. Now, if the quantities are the same, we want to sort it by description. So what we do is we click on Add Level, and then we change it to Description, and then we'll do A to Z. And then we can go ahead and click OK, and we'll notice our data has been sorted, and all the ones are together, the twos, and then within the twos, the descriptions are then sorted. So let's say we want to do a different kind of sort. Let's go ahead and highlight the data, click Sort, and we're going to go ahead and remove this level. So we'll click on Description here, and we'll say Delete Level. And all we want is it to be sorted by the total, and in this case we want it to be largest to smallest. And then when we hit OK, we'll see that it's sorted in that manner. So sorting is a pretty easy thing to do. It's very helpful. So remember, when you sort, the actual formatting of the text actually gets carried along with the sort. So let's go ahead and highlight this this one here, and let's just make it bold and red so we see what it does. And let's go ahead and sort all of this data by highlighting it all and then clicking on Data and then Sort. And we'll sort it by let's say item number here, and we'll do it from smallest to largest and click OK. So we'll notice the red and bold text gets sorted along with the data. Now, the other thing we might want to do that's totally different but is common is, let's say we want to make a series of numbers. So let's say we want the number to be 1, 2, 3, and we want it to go down to some number like 20 or something. Well, what you can do is just put in 1 or 2, I like to do 3 numbers, and then highlight all of the cells, and then down here at the bottom corner you can just click and drag, and it will go ahead and create that series of numbers. So it identifies kind of the pattern of the first 2 or 3 cells and then builds from there. So you can do that with numbers. You can do it with different types of numbers. So let's say we do 2, 4, 6, so we just want even numbers. We can do that same process, and now we'll see a series of numbers. You can also do that with months. So let's say we do January and then February, and you can just highlight the data and drag it down, and it will create the data. And notice it keeps the format, so that's the full length of the name. If I just did Jan and then Feb and Mar and then highlight them and then drag it down, it would keep the 3-digit. So you can do numbers, you can do months, you can even do days. So if I do Monday, Tuesday, and drag that down, you can see that it creates a series. So pretty easy to do, pretty helpful. So that's how you sort data, and that's how you create series.